by next year.
In a festive gathering at the SP office in Shillong, East Khasi Hills, SP Vivek's aim inspired the team for the upcoming year, urging them to uphold faith, enhance teamwork and elevate their work standards. Looking forward to 2024, the SP City expressed gratitude to the media for recognizing police efforts even when highlighting areas for improvement. The celebration aimed at fostering a positive spirit within the East Khasi Hills police force, setting the tone for the successful and collaborative year ahead.
The faith in God and working as a team has really borne fruit, and as we move on to the new year, the new 2024, let us renew that faith, the spirit of teamwork, foster that the relationship with the public, improve our ways of working, build more efficiency, and let East Khasi Hills Police shine.
A motor accident occurred in Sabah Muswang